best luxury large cars for 2024 Audi A7. In the opulent world of luxury large cars for 2024, the 2024 Audi A7 stands out as a true exemplar of sophisticated design, cutting-edge technology, and unparalleled performance. Audi, celebrated for its commitment to luxury and innovation, proudly presents the A7 as the epitome of excellence in the luxury large car category. 2024 Audi A7, a masterpiece of design and technology. The 2024 Audi A7 makes an indelible mark with its exterior design, seamlessly blending striking aesthetics and a sleek profile to create an ambience of modern luxury. The A7's iconic single-frame grille, frameless doors, and meticulous attention to detail contribute to its commanding and distinguished presence on the road. Audi's commitment to perfection extends to the interior, where premium materials, advanced technology, and a spacious cabin create an environment that reflects the A7's dedication to opulence. Under the hood, the A7 delivers a performance that befits its luxury status. With powerful engine options, responsive handling, and Audi's renowned Quattro all-wheel drive system, the A7 ensures a driving experience that is both thrilling and refined. This makes it an ideal choice for those who demand a luxury large car that seamlessly combines opulence with dynamic performance. Audi's commitment to delivering an unparalleled driving experience is evident in every facet of the A7, solidifying its status as a leader in the luxury large car segment. Top luxury large cars of 2024, A7 outshines competitors. While the 2024 Audi A7 rightfully claims its position as the best luxury large car for 2024, it competes with other prestigious models vying for attention. The Mercedes-Benz S-Class, BMW 7 Series, and Lexus LS are among the contenders, each offering their unique blend of luxury and performance. The Mercedes-Benz S-Class, celebrated for its sumptuous interior and cutting-edge technology, remains a formidable competitor in the luxury large car segment. The BMW 7 Series, known for its dynamic driving experience and opulent features, adds an element of excitement to the competition. The Lexus LS, with its impeccable craftsmanship and smooth ride, contributes to the diversity of choices in this exclusive and competitive category. Consumer preferences and the pursuit of unmatched luxury. In an era where luxury car buyers seek an experience that transcends conventional expectations, the 2024 Audi A7 aligns seamlessly with evolving preferences. The allure of a luxury large car that effortlessly integrates sumptuousness with state-of-the-art technology caters to drivers who desire a sophisticated and exhilarating journey. As consumers increasingly demand cars that offer an unparalleled blend of style, features, and innovation, the A7 emerges as a frontrunner. Audi's legacy of crafting vehicles that redefine luxury ensures that the A7 remains the epitome of opulence for those who seek a luxury large car that defines the essence of contemporary driving excellence. In conclusion, the luxury large car segment for 2024 promises an infusion of opulence and performance, and the 2024 Audi A7 leads the way. As Audi continues to redefine the standards of luxury, the A7 stands as a symbol of how elegance, innovation, and performance can seamlessly coalesce, offering drivers a sophisticated yet dynamic driving experience that sets the standard for luxury large cars.